Shaili Banker. I'm an architect based in Ahmedabad. I have my firm, Architos. We handle projects of different scale and nature. We mainly into residences, hospitality, corporates. So I think I'm privileged to have a father who's an architect and a mother who's a product designer. So art has always been a part of my life. From a very young age, I would, me and my brother would accompany my mom to the ceramic factory. And so clay as a medium of expression was, I think, one of the initial, adventures with art. My dad introduced me to photography. He helped me set up a dark room in the house. So I think art goes beyond just paintings on the wall for me. So I tend to get drawn to a very sculptural approach to architecture. I try to work with a lot of clay and paper models. So I feel as the approach to architecture is more art based. So it's definitely more than just an accessory. So I think most of the projects I tend to approach with a very sculptural approach. I make a lot of clay and paper models before I start two-dimensional drawings. And also every surface of the enclosure, the walls, floor, ceiling, each I treat it as an art form, whether it is in terms of colors, textures, if there's a natural light reflecting through it, the form of that surface. So it's not just about a single surface, but as a whole, I treat it as more like a sculpture than a building. In one of the recent residences, there was a double height wall adjacent to a dining room. And this wall was skylit from the top and there was water below. So to capture that reflection of the water, the light on the water, I've used a glass mural. I've chosen glass as a material for the mural. And the colors are very muted and pastel. So it captures basically the ripples of the water over it. So see, I think sometimes it boils down to whether you're looking for a name attached to the art or whether you're looking for genuine good art. Because there's a lot of talent out there. Art need not be expensive. But at the same time, if you are a patron of art, I think it's nice to be gracious and compensate the artist and the talent in a proper manner. The function of art is to uplift the special experience. So definitely the kind of space, the nature of space will direct the selection of the art. The role of any artwork is to uplift and enrich the space it's in. So things like the color, theme, proportions, medium, material, textures, all these are the qualities of the artwork which should be taken into consideration when you are selecting an artwork. There's one residence. It had a very long curved wall adjacent to enclosing a living space. Any framed rectangular work would not we could not install it. It wouldn't fit on this curved wall. So we commissioned Walter de Souza, and he created a beautiful mural of wood. It was very colorful, and it went along the curve. And it was as if the wall was made for the mural. It was beautifully executed. So art should not be considered as an addition to architecture. It should be from the start very much part of the design thinking. And yes, awareness, bold experiments, networks, I think everything together should be, all three are needed to bring, I suppose, exposure or awareness of art to people. Also, I think the moment we stop taking art as an afterthought, or also as just as a form of luxury, the moment we stop doing that, I think it naturally claims its space in the built environment.